side lying leg kick series on the Spine Corrector. We're gonna be doing side kick. So how to prep for this, you're in your Z-sit, you're gonna extend your leg all the way out to a parallel position, bringing your forearm to the apex, zipping out of that bottom rib. Make sure your client isn't rotating toward the apex, but pulling out and around 2 shoulders, 2 ribs, 2 hips square. They're gonna wanna sink, pulling out of their shoulder and their rib, having that connection. You're gonna just start by lift and lowering. I know this looks super easy, it's extremely challenging. Last 2, my glute is working really hard. Last one, hold, hand goes behind the head. You're gonna kick to the front, point your toe back. Exhale for your side kick. Inhale. Try not to shift forward and back, but keeping that stability. Last 2. Exhale. Last one. Keeping it at that hip height, bringing it centered, lowering it down, pushing up, refining your Z-sit. And then that is your side lying side kick series on the Spine Corrector.